So I figured I'd make this video because it's not fair to you guys for wherever I left you guys off at. That 1 hour video that I have, most people haven't watched it. Let's just say it detects my GPU as well as my GPU, so it's allowing for 480p. I found a website. This is actually, right when I hit yes, it's going to download the proprietary version of the drivers. It took me a while to find it though. I will see if I can leave a link in the description. It runs through the whole thing. I purged the other ones. I downloaded the GPGs, the security keys, all that stuff. Literally, it's just all copy and pasting commands. And as long as you can read whether it's 64-bit versus 32-bit and know what your system is and how your system is supposed to function and everything, just follow things, copy paste commands, back and forth, and you'll get to the point where I'm at now. Actually, let me show you what I've been doing. So, I have already done. So these two, I already have a thing that everybody automatically does, as you guys already know. This, I purged all NVIDIA drivers. It leaves the Steam though, for that's good. This, I was not able to do the run file thing that I downloaded from NVIDIA, so I'm good. I didn't do anything for the run file. Non-thing, this. I installed this. I attempted this. Did not work. Turns out Bookworm is whatever Debian 12 is on, and I'm on Debian 12. I attempted that. I did that, which barely did really anything. I already knew that one. I did it anyhow. Doesn't matter. I did that one. It did install. Do not do these commands if you are on 64-bit system, so I did not do that one. 686 is for 32-bit. Detect, I did do that one. Did do that. And it did work. And now I'm on this. Well, I did this. It still didn't work like normal. They said to restart. I restarted it. I still did it again. It still didn't work, which confused me. So I'm like, okay, let me go further. Then I don't have 40 series or 400 series. I'm like, oh god, PPAs. There's this. I did do this command. It did work, which I was shocked. Actually, no, it installed, so I was not shocked, my bad. This one is the one that I was shocked on. This is your GPG. This one's for Debian 12, right here. This one I did. It did work. That one I did. And it told me that there was like 3 repositories that could be up to date or whatever, and whatever it is, so Now I'm doing, actually this is without CUDA support. Now I'm doing this one. And it's still going through. I wonder what else is the next step. Open source. Oh, without CUDA. Okay. With those are the open source drivers. Okay. Yeah, no. I wanted the proprietary version because proprietaries are actually the proprietary works better than the open source. I like open source better. When it comes to that, the open source takes way too long and is way too hard and everything. By the way, there's ads and everything. I'm gonna make another video after this. How to stop the ads, a whole bunch of other, like the whole thing, like most of the extensions. I might split up into a couple of videos though. Let's see what else is there. Reboot. 386. And that's actually one of the last commands that you install or that you do just to make sure everything. Then there's that. Next server. Oh, that actually works like that now. Oh, I didn't have everything at that point. I hope it doesn't freaking crossfade, cross-connect, whatever, cross-cancel the iGPU drivers. So yeah, it did work. I was able to game and everything. The moment I restarted my computer is the moment that happened. However, I have a backup. I have 2 kernels. The one that I installed it with, which still works with 1080p, and the one that I installed NVIDIA packages with, that it updated with, that is broken and everything, which as you see here. It's only about, 2 gigs worth of information, which sounds like a driver and everything else. I also downloaded earlier a couple things, but I think I purged it, so don't worry about that. So yeah, was thinking I'm doing a Wi-Fi thing, but then this was broken, so it's whatever. I'm also thinking of doing extensions, so on and so forth, but yeah. Actually, I'm going to do the link, as well as I might even put odd commands in order. I'll tell you where I stopped, where it won't work, or whatever. Actually, I might even not put it where it won't work because of what the problems will cause. So I'll just say reboot, and then the other stuff. Ooh, it's almost done. Subprocess return error. Wait, what? Errors were occurred in processing. What? Well, let's see if it works. It's annoying. Yeah. No, it didn't work. I figured because of the way that it said it on the terminal. Fine. At least give me CUDA support with the open source version. So I know it's not going to. Imagine if it does. And imagine it working and everything. I'll just stay with the freaking open source then. There's only 2 commands that did not work. It was the repository commands. Kind of. It's because I'm using Orion Belt, and Orion Belt is not actually a Ubuntu type of command. Sorry, not command. Repository. They go off of like Bullseye or Buster or whatever, and I'm using Orion. So it's confused on what the hell they do. I wanted to use the bookworm for Debian 12. However, can't, because to use bookworm, my Orion thing has to say bookworm instead of Orion. Hence the confusion of Debian. And that's why they say, don't do Debian sign. No one's going to do a Debian sign because of how complicated it can get. Oh, so CUDA got set up and everything. And it's beautiful and wonderful. Figures. Slightly disappointed. Wrong command. I did SMI. So SMI works. nvidia-settings. That works there. It works. nvidia-settings officially works. Oh, that's why. There's barely anything there. Bit buffer, 32-bit. Heck yeah, instead of 24-bit only. So that works. And reboot, right? Reboot. Yep, my systems and all that stuff. Yeah. Of course it would with the freaking non-free or the freaking open source. So sudo sudo reboot. Thank you. Please repeat 1080p. Watch it not be. Oh! I know how to read the freaking shell script, that's why. I knew it. So this will be the newest video for my NVIDIA thing, because this one actually works. The other one doesn't. The other one kind of works. It works on first start, but after that, no, it doesn't really actually work. So this will actually be my NVIDIA thing. Why is it so damn tiny though? Oh, That's not. Oh. That's why. I like how it tells you your slowdown temperature. It tells you your thermal throttling limit. Windows doesn't tell you when it's gonna thermal throttle. Linux does. Okay, so the max you can pull out is 200. Good to know. Why doesn't freaking Windows give you all this information? Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, you don't need to do anything anymore. Thanks for watching, and now we have an NVIDIA thing, because last time it was NVIDIA, but it was only NVIDIA. That last NVIDIA thing is only because working out of the gate NVIDIA. Otherwise, this one works after restart. The other one doesn't. So yeah, thanks for watching, and see ya. Wrong mouse.